So we're in the candle section in IKEA, and I'm walking around. I'm on the scent. I can smell. Tommy can smell the vanilla up. I'm smelling berries and stuff. Tell me this: why would anybody want to buy a candle that smells of oregano? Should just make a pot of spaghetti bolognese, and it really does smell like it. Oh, there's basil. You can buy 4 boxes of that. Anybody wants their kitchen smell of spaghetti bolognese 24/7. I love this place. Absolutely gorgeous. The scent down here. Oh, they're lovely and grey. Are they £4? They are lovely. I have 3 wee white ones hanging off a bird feeder in my garden. It's very similar to this. And they've been out in strong winds and everything, and they're still great. And this is their wee floristry bit. Oh, smell it. It smells, all I can smell strong roses. Is that these? Is that them? I can smell it. You think that you were in a real flower shop? All I can smell is very strong roses. Oh, there's a good idea. Look at this. Oh, it's lovely. They come up with some good ideas. I think they're very dear, IKEA now, for their artificial flowers. I think Wise Buy do a lovely selection and far cheaper. I think the flowers actually look more realistic in the Wise Buy. This is what I have, a wee bunch of these in my kitchen. Peonies, artificial peonies. Some lovely pots. And again, I think they're a bit pricey on their pots. You can get cheaper in B&M. Oh, more candles. I can't walk by a candle without having a sniff. Oh, that's like strong peppermint. Down to the roses. Wee cactus. Are they candles? No, they're artificial. Artificial cactus. All the plants. And the poinsettias. And all the plant stands. Some of them's quite nice. It's like a jungle down here. Artificial wee trees. Oh, here, that's nice. I really like that. Oh, that's lovely, that. And the big jungle leaves. Do you know, I used to have a very tall artificial plant in the hall, and this friend of mine, every time she came in the door, she'd go, it was very similar to that, and every time she would come in the door, she'd go, Angela, your plant's amazing. She says, every time I come in, it's bigger. I didn't have the heart to tell her it was plastic. She goes, what are you feeding that? What are you feeding that? I goes, baby bio.
Is it artificial?
Yep. Oh, look at these. Are they real? Oh, they're real. They're real. We're looking around and around this bit. Gorgeous colours. Look at that. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed our day out at IKEA. Keep well, stay safe, and have a lovely holiday.